In a world full of deadlines, distractions, and disappointments, what happens when a man makes prayer his daily habit, not just his emergency call? This is the story of Eric Matthews, a man who had every reason to give up, but found his breakthrough in prayer. Eric was 32, single, worked long shifts as a warehouse supervisor in Houston, lived in a quiet one-bedroom apartment with peeling paint and a leaky faucet. Life was okay, but just okay, until it wasn't. One ordinary afternoon his boss called him into the office. Stern face, heavy words. "We're cutting staff. You're one of them, I'm sorry. Laid off. No warning. Rent due in 2 weeks. No backup plan." That night Eric sat on his couch, jobless, broke, angry. He stared at the ceiling and whispered, "God, I don't know what to do, but I need you." The next day Eric did something strange. He prayed again, and the next day, and the day after that. Not for hours, just 5 minutes, every morning, same time, same spot, no music, no drama, just faith. He didn't pray for a miracle, he prayed for strength. Nothing changed at first. Emails still went unanswered, rejections kept coming, but Eric noticed something else changing. His patience grew, his worry shrank. He wasn't panicking anymore, he had peace in the middle of the storm. He started helping others, volunteered at his church, called his mom more. He stopped looking for luck, and started listening for God. Then it happened. An old manager from a job 5 years ago called out of the blue. "Eric, I remembered how reliable you were. We have a role, higher pay, better hours. You in?" Eric took the job, but that was just the beginning. Within a year, Eric paid off his car. He started a small online business. He even helped fund scholarships for local teens. People asked him, "What changed? You used to be always stressed." He smiled and said, "I still have struggles, but now I start my day talking to someone bigger than my problems. Pray without ceasing." 1 Thessalonians 5:17, ESV. Eric didn't win the lottery, he didn't get famous, but he gained something most men never find. A lifestyle of peace, direction, and unexpected miracles. All because prayer became his daily habit. Moral of the story. When prayer becomes a habit, miracles don't just visit your life, they become your lifestyle. Prayer isn't about perfect words, it's about a consistent heart. You may not see results in a day, but keep showing up. Because God hears what this world ignores. My son, there will be times when your plans fail, your strength fades, and the world feels too heavy to carry. In those moments, don't look around, look up. You don't have to be religious to pray, you just must be real. Speak with honesty, not perfection. Ask for strength, not shortcuts. Tell the truth to yourself and to the one who made you. Make prayer a habit, not because it fixes everything instantly, but because it fixes your heart. The world will push, pull, confuse, and exhaust you. But prayer will anchor you quietly, daily. You don't need to perform, just connect. And once you do, you'll notice something strange. Doors open, strength returns, peace stays. Not because life gets easier, but because you get stronger. When your prayers become consistent, miracles will no longer surprise you, they'll follow you. With faith in your journey and strength in your voice. Dad, if this story inspired you, like the video. Share it with someone who needs encouragement. Comment your favorite Bible verse below, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful Bible-based moral stories that touch hearts and change lives. See you in the next video. God bless.